Hey everyone, John back here with a second video for the day. Sorry about that, but we had some breaking news. Royal Beach Club Paradise Island is now available to book. Let's go talk about it. Hey everyone, John here from Byte Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I don't know why, we just put out another video like an hour ago. But we are a travel agency trying to give you the best information possible about cruising so you can plan to go on an amazing cruise vacation. Today, for our second video, we got some breaking news. The Royal Beach Club at Paradise Island is now open and available to book. Let's read a little bit about it. Your clients can be the first to experience this one-of-a-kind escape only on Royal Caribbean. It is opening in December of 2025, just a few short months away. Here, exclusive meets all-inclusive from water transportation to drinks at the swim-up bar, mouth-watering bites, and more. It's all complimentary. It's not complimentary. It's with your unlimited open bar day pass. You can swim, sip, unwind at the powdery white sand beaches or do whatever it is that you want. There is pinwheel shrimp skewers. There is bundt cake with guava sauce, Caribbean views, Party Cove, the whole 9 yards. Let's talk a little bit more about it, and I'm going to give you some pricing. If you are on Symphony, Utopia, or Liberty in December, the 21st, 26th, or the 26th, you will be the first ones there. It is opening December 27th, right before the Happy New Year celebration. Maybe they'll do fireworks. Who knows? So let's talk about it. If you are going there, you have 2 beaches, Family Beach and Chill Beach. You have 3 pools. There's a family pool, a chill pool, and a party pool with a DJ. There are 3 beach grills where all your food is going to be included. As we mentioned, the shrimp skewers, fire engine fritters, and the crunchy fish sandwich. You have 3 swim-up bars, including the floating flamingo. You will also have 7 beach bars. You will have transportation, towels, Wi-Fi, lockers, beach games, umbrellas and lounge chairs, and all the Caribbean entertainment you could possibly handle. If you're wondering to yourself, John, how much does all that cost? Let's talk about it. So you could do the day pass there, which is going to be unlimited open bar and dining, which is $249 per person. Obviously, everything on Royal Caribbean is going to be dynamic pricing, so your mileage may vary when you're looking at prices. I'm looking at the inaugural Symphony one, so this could go down, could go up a little bit. I'd imagine it's going to stay somewhere in the $200 to $300 range on every cruise. If you would like to go there and do an unlimited non-alcoholic drinks and dining, that is $199. So just keep that in mind. If you would like to do a Royal Pool Cabana on that day, it is $3,000. If you want to do on Family Beach, those are, again, $3,000. If you would like to do one, just a beach cabana, so you have the Royal Beach Cabana, the Royal Pool Cabana, and the Beach Cabana. The pool and the Royal Beach are both $3,000. The Beach Cabana at Family Beach, just a regular beach cabana, is $2,100. And if you would like to do a day bed, just the day bed at Party Cove, $650. Cabana at Chill Beach, the Royal one, $2,900. The Beach Cabana, $2,200. And the Pool Cabana, $2,200. Interesting thing also, it says there is an option to get the deluxe beverage package, which is your full cruise plus Royal Beach Club open bar day pass. Which is interesting to me. So this one gives you the drink package for your entire cruise along with a day pass to Royal Beach Club. That is $99 per day. That would probably be your best bet, which gives you your unlimited pass there too. It is now open to book. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you are interested in? I love trying new things, so I'd love to try it. Seems a little pricey for me, but I'm in. I'll check it out. I mean, I pay $100 and some to go to Cocoa Beach Club, so I would try this for sure. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We will see you tomorrow. Happy cruising. Unless something else comes up. Happy cruising.